2 of the Active Wow toothpaste and tooth powder. So it is day 2. So as promised yesterday, today I will be using the Hello Fluoride Free Whitening Toothpaste, and I'll be using this in the morning and in the evening today. If you didn't watch my previous video of day 1, you're more than welcome to go back and watch it. If you'd like, give it a thumbs up. Also, if you'd like to see future videos, give this one a thumbs up and push the subscribe button below. Yesterday, we tried this Active Wow powder, and today, I will mention again, we will be using the Hello toothpaste. So, here we go. So I am finished brushing my teeth. I did 2 minutes with the Hello paste. They feel clean, and it was not near a mess as it was with the powder. And it is really minty as far as a nasty flavor. Doesn't have one. It's a great flavor, minty flavor. We'll see if it lasts me throughout the day. I feel like today with the Hello paste, I do feel like they're a little bit whiter. I don't know, y'all have to tell me what you think down in the comments below. Yeah, so I like this Hello paste. I think I'd rather go, so far, I'm only on day 2, but I think I'd go for the Hello paste. It's way cheaper. It's only $4.97 at Walmart over the $20 powder. It makes a lot less mess, and it's actual toothpaste, so you don't have to go and brush your teeth afterwards with your regular toothpaste. But who knows? We'll see. So both times today, morning and evening, I'm going to be doing the Hello paste. And then tomorrow I'm going to do powder in the morning with my Crest. And then Hello paste at night. And then from there, we'll see what happens on day 4. So thanks for watching. Remember to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe below.